Today, I'm going to teach you how to download files and full projects from GitHub. Whether you're working with open source code or collaborating on development projects, knowing how to quickly pull down repositories is an essential skill that will save you time and streamline your workflow. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials, enter your username and password to access your account, and get started with the download process. After logging in, you'll be directed to your GitHub homepage. Look at the upper left panel of your screen where you'll find a list of your repositories. This is where all your projects and any repositories you've starred or contributed to are organized. Click on the specific repository that contains the files or project you want to download. Selecting the right repository is crucial here, so make sure you're clicking on the one that holds the content you need. Once you're inside the repository, you'll see all the files and folders that make up this project. Now direct your attention to the code button, which is typically displayed in green and positioned prominently near the top of the file listing. Click on this code button and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for accessing the repository. From this menu, select Download Zip. This option packages the entire repository into a compressed zip file, making it easy to transfer and store all the project files together in one neat bundle. After you click Download Zip, your browser will begin downloading the file. Depending on the size of the repository and your internet connection speed, this might take a few moments, so be patient while the download completes. Once the download finishes, navigate to the upper right panel of your browser window. Here you'll typically find a download icon or indicator showing your recent downloads. Click on this area to see your downloaded projects, and then click Open to access the zip file you just downloaded. Now you're ready for the final step. You can extract the zip file to access all the individual files and folders within the repository. Depending on your operating system, you might right-click and select Extract All or use a file extraction tool to unpack the contents. Once extracted, you'll have full access to the project files, ready to view, edit, or use as needed for your development work. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a complete project from GitHub and extracted it for use. This straightforward process gives you offline access to any repository you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.